Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. We are making a coleslaw today, and oh boy, I want you guys to come over to my kitchen to see how I am going to make this mouth-watering delicious coleslaw. To make a delicious coleslaw, we have our carrots, onion, and cabbage. This is the first ingredient that we are going to start out with. Here I have about 5 carrots, but actually I use 4. We have a medium-sized cabbage that I am going to cut into 4 pieces. To make our coleslaw quick and easy, what we are going to do, we are going to grate our ingredients. And if you notice, I cut the cabbage into 4 pieces. That hard area, that is the area we are going to hold on to while we are grating. That area is to keep the rest of cabbage firm while we are grating it. So we are going to grate the carrot on the same side as we did with the cabbage. And as you can see here, we have a beautiful design. So here we have our cabbage ready, our carrot is ready. So we're going to move on to our onion. So this is a small onion we are going to grate. Grating the onion release that flavor that we want to blend out into our coleslaw, that is going to give it a lovely taste. So we have our cabbage, carrot, and onion ready. So we are going to give this a nice stir. Make sure everything is blended nicely before we continue with the rest of our ingredients. After everything is properly blended, we are going to add some sugar, and we are going to add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You want to start with about 2 tablespoons of sugar first, and if you like a little more sweetness, you can add sweetness to your taste. And we are having a large amount of mayonnaise, and we are going to give this a nice stir just to check if the mayonnaise is enough or we need to add more. So I am going to show you 2 levels of how you can make your coleslaw. You can make your coleslaw not so juicy, not so moisty. Here you notice it's not so moisty. Still looking a little juicy, but not so much. But if you are looking for a rich, creamy flavor, that popping coleslaw flavor, you want to go ahead and add a little more mayonnaise, and that is what I did. I go ahead and add a little more mayonnaise, and I mix it up to get that nice creamy look. Right here you can see it look more creamier, and the taste is popping. So one of the secrets to a tasty coleslaw is to make sure your sugar and mayonnaise is balanced out nicely. Not too much sugar, not too much mayonnaise, but just enough to give it that creamy taste, that creamy look. Not to mention that onions, the right balance amount of onion just make everything right. The flavor of the onion is not popping, but the blend, you can know something else is in this coleslaw that is having it tasting so good. We have come to the final result of this mouth-watering delicious coleslaw. Guys, go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how the yours came out. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy it. A big shout out to my subscribers and faithful viewers. Thank you guys so much. And if you're here for the first time and you enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I upload. Thank you so much. Bye until next time.